Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and in this quick video I'm going to be showing you a sneak peek of my upcoming blogging tutorial, how to start a health and fitness blog. Now this video again is just a sneak peek. This isn't a fully comprehensive video. This is just going to give you an idea of what's to come, and I'm going to show you some of the features and some of the capabilities of this theme. So with that being said, let's check it out.
What you're looking at right now is Radiate Free, and this is a free version of the Radiate WordPress theme that we'll be using to build your blog. It has some pretty amazing features out of the box, plus it gives you a ton of flexibility whenever it comes to customization. For starters, the homepage allows you to present your content with a minimalist yet attractive feel. And one thing that I really love about this theme is that it comes with a full-width parallax header. This creates a truly unique user experience and is typically a feature that you have to pay for with other WordPress themes. Additionally, the theme's colors, background, sidebar, and blog feed are all easily customizable and can be built to match your particular brand. Plus, I really love the front page featured section, which gives you the opportunity to connect to a landing page. This is a highly effective way to grow your following and build your email list. Now, the blogging features include a 2-column layout that allows you to publish great-looking content and earn money at the same time. This free theme lets you easily implement affiliate marketing promotions, Google AdSense campaigns, and you can even sell your own products from your blog. The sky's the limit, and Radiate Free gives you the ability to earn a passive income online. Additionally, I'm going to give you access to my code cheat sheet, which saves you the headache of having to manually code everything yourself. My cheat sheet lets you easily copy and paste the ready-made code and gives you the ability to customize every aspect of this theme so that it fits your style and overall brand. Also, no blog is complete without having a way to build your following. This theme allows lead generation capabilities, and it can help you build and grow your email list. And that's why I'm going to show you how to set up your email marketing campaigns and install an opt-in form within your blog. This is the perfect growth launchpad for any digital business, and it's 100% free. Additionally, I'm going to show you how to create sleek and stylish web pages to accompany your blog posts. This feature gives you the ability to expand your blog's look and feel and can also open the door to multiple opportunities such as selling products, promoting affiliate offers, and expanding your blog's reach. Plus, I'm going to show you how to build everything you've seen so far, step by step. And one final note, people nowadays are spending an increased amount of time on their mobile devices, which means they'll expect your site to be responsive. Having a responsive design not only helps you meet and exceed these expectations, but as of April 21st, 2015, Google Search expanded its use of mobile friendliness as a ranking signal. So if you want to get found on Google, your blog needs to be responsive. And as you can see, this free theme is 100% responsive, and it looks pretty amazing. The user experience on the desktop is mimicked on any mobile device or tablet, and the responsiveness of this theme can assure you that you are meeting the mobile requirements of Google's search algorithm. That's the great thing about WordPress. They offer some pretty substantial layouts whenever you compare them to the premium themes on the market. For example, this premium theme is going for about $130, and that's just for the theme alone. That doesn't even include the professional services to install the theme. Now, as you can see, this company is charging you nearly $400 to do what I'm going to show you in this very video. Plus, this tutorial includes some web design and development aspects, and many WordPress designers will charge thousands of dollars for custom design and development. So, if you think about it, that's a savings of thousands of dollars if you follow my video and just do it yourself. So, with that being said, let's get started. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope it gave you some ideas as to what you can do with this theme whenever you build your blog. Now, if you can't wait until the full tutorial comes out, feel free to get a head start by setting up your web hosting and installing this free theme. You can gain access to both of these exclusive offers for WordPress users by visiting the links below this video. Also, be sure to swing by my resources page at blogwithben.com/resources. There you'll find over 40 digital marketing resources that I always recommend for starting a blog. Finally, if you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to ask. Feel free to leave a comment below this video or email me at bpc@blogwithben.com. And as always, thanks again for watching, and keep your eye out for the full tutorial coming soon. I'll see you then.